Well, Claude Code just released another Bombshell update. This time, computer use in Claude Code. Let's watch the video and talk about this. Oh, I like the vibe.
Mm-hmm.
So now, if you're using Claude Code, previously it was actually quite hard to use computer use.
Uh-huh.
Generally speaking, it was just for, making programs or something like that.
Yeah.
For software engineering. But now you can use a computer.
Inside
Claude
Claude
Code.
Code.
Yeah, this is like the newest feature that they just released. So this is actually great if you're using a Mac or using I guess mostly for Mac users. Okay, let's be honest here. Windows this doesn't work super well, which is I wanted to show you guys this, but I'm like I don't want to set this up. But it works really well in Mac. Okay, now you can use computer now used now in MCP. So basically, it's an MCP module. You can install this as a plugin, and then now you can use computer. This actually makes Claude Code a lot more powerful. I think Claude Code. I think initially when they envisioned it was probably just for software engineering.
Yeah.
But now with OpenClaw update, they probably saw all the features that were good and said, "Hey, let's
That is
let's put it into Claude Code."
Yeah.
So now with Claude Code, if you have code working, you can access files, and now you can access your entire computer. I see this very useful for some things like programs that don't have MCP access. So say, for example, if we're editing videos, we have Descript.
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking you can just open Descript up and just start pipelining stuff out and just like use Photoshop or use whatever to edit the thumbnails and do everything for me.
Uh-huh.
So yet again, it's very, very early new feature. Obviously, people are going to experiment it. It's probably not going to flow very well. We are in the process of testing it. Okay, like this is just super new for us. So far with the delivery of the Claude Code team, they have been like just on fire.
It feels like an all-in-one MCP, right?
This one is good. This one is good. This is how fast they're delivering, right? Like they have. I don't want to say that this, but they have been okay. I want to show you the diagram of what they're just delivering, but they're shipping stuff like every single day, and it's just crazy. And I guess the way to rationalize is that they come out and said that they don't even use their engineers to write code anymore.
Yeah.
Right? Only to improve AI. So they're the best vibe coders out there right now.
Boris Cherney said he hasn't actually coded something since November.
Yeah. So they're probably shipping with Mythos, which is why it's so strong.
Mm-hmm.
So like they probably have access to their own internal models. But every day the gap between Claude Code and OpenAI is closing, and every update seems to be really strong on that. So we're gonna test this out. It's gonna take us a bit of time. I just wanna know how to show it because it's stupid. We have Macs for work, but we have a Windows for streaming.
Yeah,
that makes no sense for me.
Yo, it is a bit conflicting. But we want to really. Oh, what if we screen record?
Yeah, we will. Yeah. So we'll do that, and we'll give a full test. But so far, I'm really excited for this.
Yeah.
This really means that we can probably migrate like 80% of what we're doing away from OpenClaw Hermes.
Yeah.
That being said, Hermes doesn't suck. All right. I would still say Hermes is useful, and Hermes as an agent. So I think the way it works now, right, the current meta is that because Claude Code can use Hermes via MCP, there was a newest update of Hermes via MCP that was dropped, right?
Yeah.
So now you can use Claude Code, and when your Claude Code is not working, you can use Hermes to do your normal agentic day-to-day live tasks. So I think that's kind of where we're sitting on for everything now. There you go. So they have MCPs. This is the newest release of Hermes. So because Claude Code can now use Hermes via MCP, I see the synergy going on here.
Yeah. You have two options.
You have two options, and then you need to figure out which one's the best for which.
Or it can be a combination of both, to be honest.
I honestly say it's price, because Claude Code is expensive.
It is.
So I would say like if you want daily work done that's repetitive and that's very well cleaned out and thought out already, go for Hermes agent, bring a Chinese model in, and that's just $10 a month. And then if you want to do some heavy lifting, Claude Code Max Plan, baby. That being said, of course, we know that Claude Code Max Plan, they were suffering limits, but they communicated on Reddit that they are looking into these limits, so they're kind of backtracking on what they said earlier. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Okay, so yeah, with that, guys, thank you guys so much. It's gonna be yeah, they investigating the limits. So yeah, we have a video on that too. So with that, guys, that like every single week, I think we're gonna update how we do things, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's so fast. Like, this was just today, right?
Yeah,
Computer use inside Claude Code.
Yeah, it's got 9 million views already. It's crazy. Like everyone's excited.
Just when 2 days ago everyone was migrating OpenClaw to Hermes, now we are like, oh my god.
More well, yeah. I mean, the rich people always had Claude Code, so I think it's okay. It's just like it depends on how much money you have. If you have a lot of money, just do a full migration to Claude Code.
Yeah.
If you don't have that much money, well, Hermes plus Claude Code is probably your best combo right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.